Hi, this is the screen recorder tutorial. The screen recorder is 100% free. You can record as many videos as you want. If you notice to the left of the screen, this is the Safari browser on a Mac. The Chrome extension is not enabled. It must be enabled for you to use the screen recorder. On this browser, which is the Chrome browser, the extensions are here. You see there's no error message. You capture your screen, you select your capture audio from the desktop button, and you'll capture audio from the microphone button. And then you click start recording. Once you record your screen, either the full screen or partial screen, it doesn't matter. When you're done, when you're satisfied with what you've selected, you can stop the capture. You hit the stop button, and the green download button will come at the bottom. You click on that, and it will put your material, your video, in this left-hand corner on your browser. That's all there is to it. Thanks.